So I'm being stubborn and I'm going there.
Hi little weirdos, welcome to another video, and today we are going out again. Today we are going to Aldi. Today is the 15th of October, so supposedly their Halloween stocks out today. So I decided to go a little bit later, but then I felt sick and I was homebound and bedbound up to now, and now it's almost 4 p.m. so I'm really not that optimistic that I'm going to find everything that I want, especially the squishies. But before I leave, if you like this sort of videos, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much, it helps me a lot. Please also give me a thumbs up for this video, and if you have comments or suggestions for some of the future videos, or if you want me to change the format of some video, please leave them down below because it helps me so much. Alright, so this is Spookathon episode number 16, and I'll be posting this tomorrow morning. So today is the 15th, so I'll be posting this on the 16th. And for full disclosure, I am not 100%, so I'm not sure how my energy level is going to be for this video, but I'm going to try because I was waiting so long for this Aldi release. I thought they were going to release their stock in the beginning of the month, but they didn't. So I'm being stubborn and I'm going there even if I'm not 100%. Okay, so let's go. I decided to record this intro indoors because it's raining. And yeah, let's go. I'm so upset, guys. I think I'm gonna get just the vampire because my cart is totally full. See? And I don't know if I can come back here today. So this is the amount that they currently have. So the shelf is pretty much full. I don't think I showed you guys all of them, but here's the mummy one. That is my least favorite. The witch one, that this is pretty much the second one that I wanted to grab. The skeleton one, that would be my third choice. Although I felt that it's quite simple, but I like the tone, the shade of gray. So it's stuck. Well, this is the vampire one. That it's by far my favorite one, and also I called my husband and he also prefers the vampire one, so he's winning. And there is the ghost one that I can't see in here, but hold on, I already saw the ghost one in there. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I think I almost broke my nail. I think the ghost one is the one that are selling faster. I don't know why, because the other ones, in my opinion, are so much nicer. I'm going to try to grab it. I'm 158, guys, meters, so the struggle is real. Okay, I got it. So this is the ghost one. He's cute, but he's not one of my favorites. And of course, ghosts are white, but well, usually white. Well, and I thought that these lighter shades will show some stain in the picture. I am really torn. They still have some in here. And I live a 35-minute walk from here. So I'm not sure if I can go back. Oh, I forgot to show you the cat one. It's here. So this is the cat one. I also like it very much. I think that's it. So let's pay for our stuff and go back home. Okay, so I was going back home. I was walking home and I decided to pass through Lidl here to get my cheese. And my husband called me. He was busy on meetings all day long, so my choice of the vampire was because mainly it was basically the only one we had time to agree on. And he just called me and he said, go back there and get one more. So thank God I'm still I'm nearby, but I think I'm going back for the witch. Okay, so I'm here once more, and as you can see, the shelf is way more empty. And I was just here like 40 minutes ago, and I've got the witch and the skeleton. And I was thinking that today's the day if I want any more of them, like the ghost in there and the mummy or the cat. I should get them now, but I think I'm alright with these two, so it will be in total 3 Squishmallows. But I am just wondering how on earth am I gonna walk 45 minutes with this. God help me. And it's already dark. So let's go home. Hi guys, so let's go to the whole part of this video. I'm recording actually on the following day that I recorded the store walkthrough because I wasn't feeling very well, and today I'm also not 100%. I mostly got the Squishmallows. I didn't get all of them, but as I told you, I thought on getting 2, And then I look at my arms and I thought that I wouldn't be able to walk that much carrying two, so I got just one. And then when I was walking home, my husband called me and said, oh, go back, get the other ones. So that's what I did. I went back and I got two more Squishmallows, but let's start. So I got the witch. Here she is. And one thing that I liked most about the witch and the vampire one that I'm about to show you is that the witch, I really like the detail work that was made on her, because you can see like her corset part, and it's another fabric in here. And I like the hat, the witch's hat, and this little detail. I liked her because she's really detailed. And of course, as the name suggests, she's really squishy. And black and pink are one of my favorite colors, like the combo of the two of them. Her name is, oh, all of them have names. And this is the tag. So her name is Wexla. I can show you. The lighting is not very good today. You can forgive me. But this is Wexla. And the vampire one that you saw already on the recordings, his name is Vince, which I like this name. So Vince in here. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this name on him. And just like the witch, he's very detailed and has like his little ears and his tie, his bow tie, which is so cute. And his little cape that it has like a red lining here, and it's velvety, and that's one sort of details that I really liked. So this is Vince, guys, meet Vince. I got the skeletal one as well. It's one of them with fewer details than the other ones. It has like the skeleton suit on him, but I really like the color. I think the best thing of this plushie is the color of this gray, this tone of gray, like the other ones. His name is Sticks. You can see him in here. The lightning is not helping, guys, but his name is Sticks. And yeah, there are no details on the back, just on the front. So that's the three of them that I got. Let me put them all together in here. So that's my three Squishmallows that I'm squishing. And let's jump to food. I only got two. Oh, they fell. I only got two food there. I got this Galaxy Frothy Ultimate Hot Chocolate. That is of course a hot chocolate. Oh, the lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry about this. But let me try to put the other light a little bit closer to see if it helps. Is it better? Yeah, no. So this is the Galaxy Frothy, I don't know how to say this. It's basically a hot chocolate and it's limited edition. And the good thing is I was there also looking for a hot chocolate, so I found one with these ghost designs on it. And it was perfect for what I needed. BArTholomeu also liked it very much, and he's busy with his pumpkin, but I'm just going to leave this here. And I got these Adams Family Creepy Cream Pies that are fluffy mellow filled water. Oh my god, where is my English today? Fluffy mellow filled wafer cups dipped in orange colored chalk flavor coating. So this is it. I usually like these mellow things. But I have a sugar intolerance per se, so I need to be really careful when I'm eating sugar. I didn't open yet. I think I'm going to do it right now with you guys. Let's open it. And let's open one. I really like that it's a purple packaging. So let's open one. And I open backwards. That's it. This is the wafer. It's orange, as they mention it. Let's take a bite. It's good. It has this mellow feeling up to the bottom. Hope you guys can see it in here. So it's not just on the top, it's filled up to the bottom, so you can see that all of this is mellow. How many of this come in this box? 4. So it comes in with 4 cups. I just wish it had more Addams Family resemblance, like some different pattern or something, but it's just a regular cup filled with mallow. But anyways, it's good regardless. So that's it, guys. I'm going to stop eating to end this video, but I really hope you like this video, and I see you guys into the next one, and this one is going out today on the 16th. All right, so bye, see you next time.